Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is another sales video. I need to sell a couple more fidgets for new fidgets that I'm getting. So yeah, there are some fidgets left from the last sale, plus I added some more. So let's just start off from this side and then go down to this corner. All right, so this one is the oil slick, big slider, YDC X So Young. So yeah, it's like a multi-fidget, I guess you can say. You can rotate. I put some tape on it. You can take the tape off or even cut it around this these holes right here. Pull balls in there and have it as a track slider. So yeah, it's fully Zirc, fully mint. No issues whatsoever with it. You know, it's pretty fun, but I gotta let it go to move on to the other stuff. And then this thing right here, the Compoform V1.1. I've had this thing for the longest time ever. And yeah, so Compoform really recently came out with the Compoform V1.1 mini. So just this thing, just smaller. And I've been really digging that. And then that's also a pivot slider. So I was like, okay, I just need one. So this is the one to be selling. And this one will be going for a lot lower. These are going for like $400 plus. But this one is I guess you can say beater. As you guys seen from my videos, I use it all the time, almost like every other day. But this one just has some aesthetic defects on the sides. You can just see the plates. It looks like they're peeling apart, but I sent it over to Pluk from like the admin of Compoform, and he said that the previous owner just had glued it back. So I mean, it's been working for me perfectly fine. I've had no issues with it. I've sent it over to Pluk. He said that everything's fine with it. You're good to just keep using it. So yeah, as you can see, I can use it perfectly fine. My hands are a bit sweaty right now, but yeah, no issues whatsoever. Just like those tiny lines. But other than that, it's perfect. Use it every other day. So yeah, that's that. So if you just want to kind of like a beater V1.1, I'll be selling this for a lot lower than the market price. And then this is the Dama Rhythm in stainless steel, the very first batch that came out. Love this thing. But like I said, I'm going to be keeping one track slider, which is the S Nano, and yeah, I'll be letting this go. It's a pretty good one. Slides perfectly fine. Lots of different ways to play with it. But yeah, it's time to let go. And yeah, I have a lot of new things coming to the channel, so that's why I'm selling these. Then yeah, this is the Top C, the metal tray Top C in stainless steel. This is actually really rare as well. It's got number 5, serial number 5, so it's the 5th one ever made. Like, these things are pretty old, and to have that kind of a low number is pretty amazing. It's really rare. This thing was released years ago. Then I got this from China, from AliExpress. And I happened to get a really low serial number. So yeah, that's that. And again, if you want any of these, make sure to email me at dailylistofidgets@gmail.com. I'll leave it up here in the pinned comment, as well as the top of the description. So yeah, this is the Wanwu Reactive Shield, my first free-floating slider I got, and I gotta say, this is like one of my favorites. Small, snappy, affordable. It's nice. This is what got me into free-floating sliders. So yeah, that's pretty good. Stainless steel, number 1293. Yeah, oh, this right here isn't mine, it's my friend's. He actually sent me a couple other fidgets to review. I've been posting those videos recently. So yeah, this is the Cap Horizon in Dama. I mean, this pattern is amazing. Like, Damascus steel is pretty. Looks so good. And then these are full throttle original custom buttons in Mokume. From what he told me, the buttons are like 130 bucks alone. Or no, $165 alone. Yeah. Sounds amazing. There you go. Comes with the card of authenticity and all that stuff. So yeah. Really dope spinner. I almost bought it off him myself. But yeah, I've got other things coming, so I didn't pull the trigger on that. Next, we have the NJT Nebu in stainless steel. This is the first version of the Nebu ever made. This was made way back in 2021. So this is a really rare spinner. Actually, one sec. And yeah, here's the card of authenticity for the Nebu version 1.0 2021. So yeah, pretty old spinner. You won't see this one come up again ever, I don't think. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a pretty good one. You guys can go ahead and watch my unboxing video for this I did a long time ago. It's a really good spinner too. And then we have the blue titanium RORO spinner. This is like my longest spinning spinner I have. It can spin for like 8 whole minutes with one spin. So really lightweight, easy to turn, flip in the video. So yeah, really nice. That's that. Then we got the CP3s. This is the Lautie X Mackie CP3, number 182 out of 299. So it's limited. Really nice zirconium, stainless steel zirconium. Then we got the zirconium and then the gold plated stainless steel, number 30. Really nice as well. And then we got the stainless steel one as well. So down below I will leave a list of these things, the names of them, and then next to it I'll write if it's available or if it's been sold. So yeah, and if you're interested in these, email me at dailydosefidgets@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, more awesome videos coming pretty soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe if not already. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.